with you. Today we came at the Crop Research Center farm of Ambien University. I am a Dr. Satish Chaudhary. I am the head of the department of the School of Agriculture. So this is a Crop Research Center of the School of Agriculture. Our students come here to demonstrate the practical exercise. Here we grow the different Rabi season crop, pea, barley, and then also vegetable is also cauliflower, cabbage, coriander, mustard, potato, tomato. All these crops are scientifically growing here. Our students work here with the expert faculty. We have a plant pathologist also, agronomist also, entomologist also. Entomologist deal with the insect pest, plant pathologist deal with the plant diseases, agronomist deal with all the agronomic practice. So here we grow the different crop. This is the mutton, and this mutton is the blooming very finely, and this the pea seed is sowing in the month of the November. Now it's produced the pod of fruiting also, and you can easily so there is the number of the pod. All the cultivation practice done by our BSc Agriculture student. Our student come here following the field with the help of the tractor, and then they making a ridge with the help of the ridger, and all activity which is done by them. This is the another crop. The name of the crop is barley. Botanical name Hordeum vulgare. Family Poaceae. Chromosome number 14, variety BH75. This is very popular variety in the jurisdiction area of the Haryana. So this is our barley crop. So every year our student try to research on a different variety. We always use the new variety for the demonstration. This is a mustard field. The botanical name is Brassica junicea, family Brassiaceae. Chromosome number 36, variety Pusa mustard 30. This is a very popular variety, and our student purchased this variety from ICR, Pusa, and this variety is a sowing. This mustard crop is a sowing in the month of the October, and our students also doing all the activity in this field, because in this field there is a lining sowing, but in a lining sowing the plant density, plant population is more. So student there is the thinning to remove the excess plant. Because why we remove the excess plant? If there is a plant density the more, it directly infect the quality and as well as the quantity of the mustard. So that's why they remove the excess plant, and here is the proper distancing plant to plant, which is recommended by the agronomist. All the activities the conduct under the supervision of the agronomist, Dr. Akanksha Sharma is here, who worked with our students. So you can easily saw here the all plants are very vigorous, and they are producing the flower as well as the pod, and there is no disease. But you know, when this plant mustard crop reach to up to the 60 to 70 days, so there the disease comes in a mustard field. The name of the disease is a Alternaria blight, leaf spot of the mustard. So this disease is caused by the Alternaria fungal pathogen, and this pathogen generally reduce the quality of the mustard. The pod become very pillars, and the symptoms of this Alternaria disease, there is the circulus, there is the circular rings on the leaf. So you can easily look here, there is the circular ring, circular spots, which is a by the fungal pathogen. So for the management of this pathogen, our students use number of the bioagent, which is the isolate our agriculture BSc student, Pseudomonas, Trichoderma virginium. All these bioagents are very effectively and reduce this disease. So because you know we are doing just a chemical free cultivation here, so generally we use the bioagent here. This is a potato field. The name of the potato, scientific name is Solanum tuberosum, a family Solanaceae, chromosome number 24, variety Kopri Jyoti. This is Kopri Jyoti variety, and this variety is very good yield producer. And last year we also used this variety, and now we use the different agronomic practice. Those are the influence the productivity and production is also. And you can easily see there is a this is a potato plant which are growing very vigorously and producing the potato. Here there is the number of the tuber also emerge. You easily, this is the potato, and the quality is very fine, and it is a disease free and spots free, and this demand is all over Haryana. And every after harvesting we have a lot of demand from the Haryana, Palwal also, and Odals. All the commodities are sale in near dear Ambient University. And this is also tomato plant. Just all these activities done by our BSc agriculture student. Every day our student comes here in a field, and they done the weeding practice, and they observe the disease here, see which disease is the effective the tomato, and which stage the tomato plant is reached now. So they watch the minute activity and this potato plant. And our BSc agriculture student easily identify the symptoms of the disease, and they know very well about all the diagnostic practice of the this potato disease. They come here and pull out the disease infected plant. They come here and pull out the disease infected plant and brings in a polythene. Then they study in laboratory for the surgical experiment of all these diseases. This is a cauliflower field. The variety name Pusha Dipali. It is very popular variety. So this plant cauliflower nursery prepare our student, and it produce very quality curd. You can easily saw here. Just it is a 35 days plant, and the curd is very clean and very compact, and its taste is so good. So due to the taste, it is a very popular and very fabulous in a Palwal, Haryana, also Palwal, Faridabad, Odal, and every day the farmer come here, consumer come here in a field and purchase this cauliflower. And this is a chemical free. We don't use any fertilizer, we don't use any pesticide, fungicide. Just we are using here the farmyard manures and another biopesticide. So our students are very interested. They are also they also visit another research institute, Integrated Horticulture Research Institute. It is located in Odal city, and from here they learn lot of new things, lot of new technology. So some of the technology adopt in our school of agriculture, because it's very hard or it's very difficult to growing this variety without any chemicals or pesticides, because in this in cabbage there is a number of the disease which is the infected at the seedling stage, or as well as the when the farmer transplanting this cabbage in a main field. In a nursery field there is a two disease, one of the damping off, which is a very dangerous disease for the nursery. Sometimes there is a 100% losses, but our student uses such a type of the practice for preparation of the nursery. That's why the nursery is very vigor and disease free. And usually look here, the whole plant are blooming very blooming, and the condition of these plants are very healthy. All the leaves are spots free, and the curd, and because and curd is very in a compact structure, and usually show here, this is the curd of this variety. And this variety now is available at School of Agriculture for consumer who are just consume the organic cauliflower. So we are the producer of the organic vegetables. Thank you. So thank you all the team which are associated with me today, and especially thank to Miss Akanksha Sharma. She is the agronomist in a School of Agriculture. She is the keen interest, every day come in the field with the student and observe all the agronomist practice. Also thanks to our Vice Chancellor Dr. J.V. Desai sir, Registrar sir Dr. Rajiv Ratan sir, because this is done with the help of our Honorable VC sir. VC sir are much interested in a School of Agriculture. They every day suggest us, they suggest us to adopt the new technology, and they suggest me that the School of Agriculture student visit to the another university, and we also making a plan. That means those technologies implement in Israel, we adopt here. So with the help of our Honorable VC sir, we are using a drip irrigation system here, drone technology, GPS technology, remote sensing. So these all are very useful our BSc agriculture students, or as well as the farmer of Haryana. And finally, we are also start the work here for the soil testing. and in a school of agriculture are going to start the soil testing. Because it is a major problem of the Haryana farmer. They don't have any idea about the soil, and if after testing the soil, they use only required nutrient in a soil, because there is the excess expenditure. If they don't have any idea which nutrient is required right now in a individual crop. So that's why this is a good initiative which is taken by School of Agriculture, and I'm also thankful to the registrar sir, who comes every day and visits the School of Agriculture CRC farm. Thank you all of you.